inside my wallet. Here in the top is the link, Yoroi. Here's inside the wallet. So you probably would have the amount of ADAs here in total, but you go to delegation list, type cards. If you type cards, normally it will show up in my pool. Search. There you go, cardanistas. And what you do, you click on delegate. They're gonna process. And then you can choose how much money you want to delegate. Normally everybody delegates everything in the wallet to the stake pool. And then you type in your spending password that you have for your wallet, and then you do click in delegate. There will be a charge of 2 ADAs and 17 cents of ADA on your wallet, but this is normal. If you ever cancel the delegation, the 2 ADAs come back to you, but the 0.17 is the payments, the fee for the network. So I'm just gonna click in delegate. There you go. I did delegate, and then there you go, the beginning of the wallet. And this is the magic. Your delegation went through. Is everything okay? And you're going to start receiving the rewards between 15 or 20 days that the network needs to receive and validate your delegation and then start paying you. But after this first time, you're going to get paid every 5 days. I really hope you enjoyed this type of videos, and we can